make sick dough in crypto. Please follow me, like, subscribe. We have a wonderful day, and I need to speak to my followers and stop you from using your tissues and jumping off that ledge. Please take you off that ledge and let's get a swoosh. We need to score today. Now, let's get this music out. We need to talk about what's going on. We need to relax everyone. MicroStrategy plans to buy 2,000 Bitcoin per second. Doesn't that sound sick? They sound, I was wanted to know the answer right away. Michael Saylor, what is he doing? What is this biggest firm about to do? Well, they are speaking about, according to the firms, they are planning to make a purchase over 2,000 Bitcoin per second using the proceeds of the Method debt offering sale. When this happens, SailorBot will be using a minimum of 10 working days to execute the BTC purchase, according to the company. Yes, that is correct. 10 business days at $2,000 per second. Average dollar costing into the market. Does anybody want to use some fundamentals and understand what 2,000 per second for 10 working days equivalents to, my followers? Well, take the 2,000, right? We're going to do the math where we times the 2,000 of how many seconds into a minute. We get 60 seconds into a minute. We get the 60 seconds into the minute, and we have to figure out how many in the 24-hour time frame on that minute it goes. You then times it by the 24, which you then also do the times on the 10 days after that. Do you know that we get $1.7 billion? Tesla got in for 1.5. So if you can understand, this was the 22nd. So this was yesterday's news. Somehow it's 2 days old already. They will be pouring in 1.72, 1.78. I forget the exact math. I did this math really quickly as I could, and I loved checking out the thoughts of what is to come. So in the next 10 days, they plan on putting in 1.72, 1.78. Excuse me for not having that exact number. But let's be real. The real answer is, I think it's 1.73. And it's 1.7 billion. We've seen what 1.5 billion can do to the market. We went from 38,000 on the day it was announced all the way to 58,000. Imagine the $20,000 move. So within the next 10 days, I do expect this continuous correction, this continuous fall to eventually calm down. I could assure you right now, this red line here, we may play with this. We may touch this. We may see this. 41,000, 40,000. There's a small chance 39 comes through. We have a 50% retracement coming, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, it's coming. Get over it. It happens. This is the date, February 23rd, 21. Look at it. Look at it on the bottom of your screen, right? Let's go back. Let's see history. What happened? Well, what did we do here? We made significant moves. 42,000. January 8th. If they've never seen 42,000 before. If you come all the way back here to January 2nd, 6 days, 29,000, right? 6 days, and then what did we do? 42. You have to think about the moves. It can't go up forever. I understand you want your money to go up forever. We all do. The long-term goal is up. I have a lot of people flipping out. A lot of people, my sister, for instance, I'm sorry for her because she bought in last night at like 52K. It was the first time getting in, and now look what we've done. We dropped almost 3K. But don't worry. We're going to be fine. This is very important. This is very healthy for the market. If it goes straight up, up, up as fast as we were going to be in trouble. When in doubt, zoom a little bit out. Do yourself a favor. Get some understanding of the market here. Learn. What the heck is happening? Look at this big picture here. Zoomed in, right? We zoomed in a little. We got a little better picture here on the zoom out. I apologize. This drop doesn't look as bad anymore. If you really zoom out and you look at what's been happening on the growth, I mean, this is February 8th when Tesla announced. They came in at 50K on the 1st, right? We were trading 50K eventually. They got in. Or whenever the hell they got in, excuse me, February 1st, I assumed they announced they were getting in. They announced on the 8th. I felt strongly like the 1st of February was the day they went in. So look what we're doing. We went across sideways action. It got boring. When it started to go up, I made some significant moves up to the 60K, and then we got a correction here with another bounce up. Realize we will be doing this. This could be our new support line. Don't even know it yet. Could be. I put this mark here so I could give myself a judgment of how far we're going to plan on popping down. The end result, grab your trend lines, right? What I've been preaching. Grab them. Play a little game with yourself. Get an understanding of what the hell may be happening here, okay? This will give you an understanding of when we're finished, when we may be done. Trend line, go to the arrows over here, change it to regular, and you won't have to have that no more. You can get rid of the arrow as soon as I'm done doing it. Why is it giving me such a problem here? It's for the next one. I apologize. You got to click on it. That's why. I thought I was clicked on it. Right there, click. That's your thickness. You can get rid of the arrow. You just click that. Arrow's gone. Grab another one. I'll go here, click my hotbar, and I will go down on my downward trend. This is all for a daily idea, for maybe later. You want to place it there. You want to see where you go. You can use TradingView for free. I have a special guest I want to speak about, a gentleman who reached out to me, saw my positive feedback, saw I wanted to change my life, and he reached out to me, and I was very humble. I'm so happy he reached out to me. He works out. He's a savage. His name is Tim Mikazi. I apologize. Real quick, I wanted to show and share because this gentleman is doing big things. Tim Mikazi. I apologize if I said it a little wrong. I'm interested in what he has to say. I followed him this morning with a little message explaining to him because we're YouTube friends. This is the man I want to share. Look at that plastic fake body. No, that is real. That is called dedication. That is called love for yourself. That is called I want to follow somebody like that. Tim, if you're watching, I don't want that. I would love to get somewhere near there. I know my dedication is probably not that. It's probably not as good as you, but I know my dedication is there, and I know I want to reach goals, and I love what you're doing with your body. I love what you're doing with, your positive things here. Tim, sky's the limit, brother. I hope you kill it. It looks like you're already killing it, so it doesn't matter. So I would love to share. Tim, if you want a new 2021, this might be the man to show you how to get there. Work out, make money, and travel. 3 things I can't finesse enough. Tim, good luck with everything. He doesn't need me to wish him luck, as you see. He's a very successful man, and he's doing great. Shout out to Tim. Back to the charts, though, I do want to explain. Do not freak out, okay? Like I said, we could be done. We could be done. I do not feel we are. We will see another correction. We will continue to come up here with another bounce. I want to say you will see stuff similar to this, right? And I want to believe that there's something like this in our future. All right. I know it's very, very, very raw. This is not accurate. This is nowhere near what the heck's going to happen. But I'm trying to give you an understanding and an idea of what you may want to be looking for. Very, very, very slim chance it follows something similar. Of course, it's not going to do this pattern. It's going to do something similar. I expect this is the whole point. I expect another downward spike, still correction, and eventually the low prices, smart buys are going to start affecting this downfall. Like I said, 1.7 billion, Michael Saylor and his firm, MicroStrategies, plan on coming in on the next 10 days. It's not going to be a coincidence that today is February 23rd, and in 10 days we will be in the March. We will be in the month of March. We will be seeing some up gain. We will be seeing some uptrend love. I personally thought, and I want to finesse this hard. I want to finesse this strongly. I personally thought March was going to be the pullback month. I really, really thought March was the pullback month. I'm serious. If you look at the monthly chart, it's a little ridiculous. If you see February is 48,000. I mean, this is with this huge drop. And the start was 33. We are still 15,000 above with a $10,000 drop. You do understand $10,000 fall. Everyone had a heart attack on Bitcoin yesterday. It was the biggest drop in the history of Bitcoin. You do understand with the biggest history of drop of Bitcoin, we are still up $15,000 on the month. $25,000 on the month up. before that $10,000 fall. Do the math, 15 times 10. We were $25,000 up. 50% retracement is a $25,000 price of Bitcoin. We were probably supposed to see that if we didn't get all these FOMOs, all these Fortune 500 companies, claiming they're going to jump in. Thank MicroStrategies for saying they plan on coming in. They may have saved us from seeing that 30 pack, that 30K this guy I was talking crap about. That gentleman might have been onto something, excuse me. And this is why you need to have all your ears wide open and listening. Don't think you're better than anybody. You are not better than nobody. As Mr. Marino, my father, taught me, well, the people you see going up that ladder past you and the people you may pass, I promise you, you will see them coming down that ladder. You will see yourself coming down that ladder and maybe back up again. Do not think you are better than anyone. I don't care if you got the world by the balls. One day you will get kicked in the balls and you will come back down to life and you will need the people that you were looking down upon's help. I promise you. And if you don't, God bless you. Good luck to you. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. If you do like everything that's going on, please hit that like button. Please like and subscribe. I can assure you I need it and can use it, and I really want to raffle off an Xbox One for someone. I like doing stuff like that. I like making someone's day. That's why I'm here. I like sharing my information. As I said, please, my followers, do not panic. We will see lower prices possibly. It's a very, very inevitable thing here. But also inevitable is the 100K that we will be seeing. ATMs, Beijing, they are practicing converting ratios from ATMs on the 1 million Satoshis equaling 1 Bitcoin. They are trying to find ways to put the US dollar, anyone's currency, into the ATM, converting it into Satoshi/Bitcoin. So if Beijing is doing that, you better understand that there's some crazy things happening. Just real quick, latest test features ATMs that convert digital. Ooh, interesting. All right, now, it's insane. February 18th, latest Beijing test features ATMs that convert digital yuan to cash. Now, this is their currency. They're testing it, and they are being successful. The Chinese capital is the latest city to conduct a real-world digital yuan test. The 1.5 million trial took place during the Lunar New Year holiday in early February. As part of the test, the Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, the ICBC, developed 8 ATMs, 2 of its branches in Beijing that have the icon of ECNY, Electric Chinese Yuan, on them. So, what is happening here? The world is changing. This is everything that I've been explaining. These are all signs that we will be at 100K. A lot of people are selling out. A lot of people are uneducating themselves here. You don't uneducate yourself. I sound very uneducated saying that. How do you do that? By not educating yourself. It's plain and simple. Every day, the world's growing. If you don't grow with the world, if you don't access the knowledge, the new things that are happening around yourself, if you don't adapt, you're going to sink. You will not swim. I do not want to make this a long video. I really strongly want to do some research. I want to get some more information. I want to explain to you better why we are seeing this. I feel that I strongly gave you a better understanding in depth of what is happening here, why the correction is very healthy, and why it's needed. So please understand that all of this is happening for a reason, and we need it. It's very, very important that you follow this. I did a twirl this morning. I made my coffee, and I wanted to do a slam dunk, but I didn't. I did my twirl, I made my coffee, and now I'm getting the jitters, and I need to eat something. I can't wait to get my workout on. I did not have my muscles a couple days ago, okay? I was losing them. I was getting fat. Thank you, Tim, for your inspiration. Thank you for the picture of your physique. You have showed me that I need to get my fat butt going. So please, I'm going to be sitting here impatiently waiting for your feedback, your reply, and me being able to watch some more of your videos. I will be doing that today, and I will be doing some research. Peace in, peace out. Wall Street Pete! Sick dough in crypto. If you want to learn how to make some sick dough in crypto, follow me, my family and friends. Let's get it. Let's go to the moon. 100K, one step at a time. We're not going to get there right away. We're going to fall down a little. You're going to look at me and you're going to definitely contest my judgment and my knowledge on this. And when we bounce off that 42K, 40K, when we get there and we start going back up, you're going to be on this ride for a lifetime. Take care, my friends. Take care, my family. Tune in. Till next time. Sicko in Crypto.